Greater than this is the strategy I use to trade with confidence every day, step by step. In this video, I break down my entire trading strategy from higher time frames to low entries, using real structure, clean confirmation, and risk management. Whether you're a beginner or still struggling with entries, this video will help you understand how I analyze, wait, and execute my trades with discipline. What you'll learn: check mark how I use time frames daily, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Check mark how I spot support and resistance. Check mark when I enter, and why. Check mark how I manage risk and take profit. Speech balloon. If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more setups. I'm not here to sell hype. I'm here to build traders. Bell. Follow me on Instagram, @YoungDgoat. Hashtag Fork Strategy, hashtag YoungWeave, hashtag Forex Education, hashtag Breakandreets, hashtag Support Resistance, hashtag Trading Discipline, hashtag Fork South Africa.
Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I think the background is very loud. Okay. Here we go. Support. This is our support. Remember, with this structure, you must zoom in so that you can see exactly how the candlesticks are doing. Let's jump on to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour, on 1 hour time frame. So okay, the market created a double bottom here, and then this is our resistance. You can see that the market broke this resistance. The market broke this resistance, and then after the resistance it went up. So I would have entered a trade on this level if it breaks this high. That's where I open my trade. So now the market will give us a pullback. Let's now jump on to the 30-minute time frame. My network is very slow. Guys, niyakulela or niyakhuluma? Now the market here. Now the market broke the level and then give us the resistance. After it has broke the level, so which means it's a good entry. It's a nice good entry on the 30-minute time frame. Let's highlight this high because the market might respect that level. We don't know. The market might respect it or go back down to our previous support. So now let's jump on to the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Now we're just adjusting our zones. We're adjusting our zones. See, while the market is loading. Guys, I'm a Tsonga. I'm a Tsonga. I am from Limpopo. Most of the traders are from Limpopo. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now this is You all can see that the market is clean. I like it, guys. The market is very clean. 15 minutes time frame is creating a resistance for 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on in the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame, guys. I think you guys know nothing about forex, so you must ask me anything you want. Ask me anything you want, and I'll tell you. Let's make money together. And remember, you can have the best trading strategy in the world, but if you're not patient, you will never win. This is not a game of speed. Yeah, so here we're waiting for the retest. We're waiting for the retest. Retest and this level. The market will do this. Let me show you how this is done. Trend, downtrend, we break the support, which means we're waiting for the retest. I think this is the retest candlestick, and then go down. So here the market will consolidate and then bounce back to this level. This is how the market moves, guys. We don't predict lies, and we don't tell the market to move. We don't know where the market is moving, but what you must know is you must know the market structure. What is the market structure? Market structure. This is market structure. Once the market creates this shape, this is what we call market structure, guys. Yeah, thank you, guys. Let me go do some live stream for y'all. I will post more videos. Trust me, guys. We'll get money together. I'm not promising y'all to be rich, because I can't promise you to be rich while you're not disciplined. You must first learn to be disciplined. I teach you the strategy, you learn to be disciplined and patient. That's how it works. Yeah. Let's all build wealth together. No scamming. And remember, guys, I forgot to tell you that this week we're doing a free trial. No one will pay. No one will do anything. I'm just gonna teach you for free until when we'll see. Maybe next week, Wednesday or Tuesday, we'll stop doing the free trial. So make sure that you join our free courses. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, guys. Follow my page. Let's support each other. Okay, guys, as now you can see that the market is now retested, you see, on our level. This is 30 minutes time frame. Let me adjust this. Okay, the market is still retesting, but according to my previous indicator, the market has retested. Let's jump to the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame is where we can get a better confirmation. You see, now the market is retesting. This is our support. Like if you create a support market, ne? If you create a support, which means the market will now go back. Let's check the range. Okay, 10 pips range, 10 pips range. which means here now we're waiting for the market to retest, and then we enter a sell when it gives us a different candlestick. But if it closes above, it means there's a higher probability for the market to go up. But if it closes below, here with a blue candlestick followed by a red candlestick, it means it's a downtrend. This is our take profit. Thank you for watching.